get there, Ryan. You're gonna get there. Yeah, Ryan is 6.5 months old, and he's just learning how to crawl. He's just learning how to crawl. I got footage of him coming toward me, but that's very cute.
Hey, Ryan.
And so Ryan is also learning to walk, although he can't crawl completely yet.
Okay.
Okay, ready?
Yeah. Yes. Yes. Ouch. Ouch. Yes. 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 Oh, yes. Wonderful. Oh,
Yeah.
good. Mwah. What a genius. What a genius.
Come on over. Yeah, about to try to move across the wood. That's very challenging. How are we going to move across the wood? How are we going to do it? Yeah, there he goes. You moving across the wood? Are you moving across the wood? Oh yeah, you're moving across the wood. Show us your new crawl. Yeah, you're crawling. You're crawling. That's so good. That's so good. You're crawling. Yeah. Yeah, you crawled. You totally crawled. Ryan is crawling. That is crawling the way babies are supposed to crawl. Hey, are you going to crawl? Yeah, you're crawling. Yeah, good job. Rai crawls absolutely everywhere these days. Should we show him how you cruise? You want to cruise? Why don't we cruise over to Mommy? What's over here? What's over on this side? Can you walk over here? Can you walk over to this side? Yeah. Can you walk? Yeah. Look at you cruise. Ryan, we're here with Ryan, who has just learned how to walk with his little pushy cart thing. And Ryan, are you going to show us how you walk? Are you going to show us how you walk? You going to push and walk? Okay, let's try that again. Take two. We're here with Ryan with his pushy cart thing. And you show us how you walk, Ryan? Yeah, you a little walker? You a little walker? Oh, look at you walk! There you go! Yeah, you're walking. You're standing up and walking.
You did it. You thought about it. You thought about it. He's really to the ground. Good job. You can do it. Oh, yeah. Good job. Good job. Do it again. Do it again. Do it again. Do another one.
Boy.
Good job.
Good boy.
Oh,
Good boy.
oh, you did it. You did it. You caught yourself. Oh.
Okay, so, and Ryan's been walking since he was 9 months and 3 weeks old, so he's been walking for a month and a half now. And he's a pretty good walker at this point. Yeah. Hey, little guy. Hey, little guy. You gonna walk back over here? Mommy's over here. Mommy's over here with the ball. Hey, Ryan, turn around. Turn around and walk back over here. Come on over here. Come back over here. Yeah. Yeah, you're a good little walker. Oh, yeah, can you turn around? Yeah, you can walk back over this way. Oh, good job. And back this direction. Oh, now he's taking off that direction. Oh, there he goes.